So, guys, we are going to be starting from the rainbow model to just show you the basis of our price prediction for the month of May before we go into the price prediction. And here we have our rainbow model right here from the beginning of the crypto market right there in 2011 or even 2010. As you can see, 2010 right here, right, even to this current period of 2024, right? And we have been seeing this model is based on the halvings. As you can see, we saw the first halving right there in 2012. We saw the second halving right there in 2015, and then we saw 2016. We saw the third halving right here in 2020, and the last halving which we had right here in 2024. And we said based on the model, we see after the halving, we usually see 1 month right here of consolidation before we saw the massive bull run. In the second halving, we saw about 2 months right here of consolidation before we saw this massive bull run. In the third halving, we saw at least minimum 3 months of consolidation before we saw this massive bull run. And we said for May, that is going to be your last opportunity at accumulation. So we should expect some sort of accumulation and basically sideways price action May going into June before we see another massive bull run, right? So basically, that is it. And so let's just go into the chart to see our price prediction right here for the month of May. So the price prediction right here for arbitrum for the month of May, we are on the chart right here for arbitrum or ARB versus the USD theta. We're on the weekly time frame, Binance yesterday to source, right? So for arbitrum, basically, if we just want to get the price prediction right here for arbitrum, right here, we should be expecting to see some sort of consolidation right here at this level for arbitrum. Basically, we could just see arbitrum. Let's get this off the screen. Arbitrum could just consolidate right here from the $1.1 level going into this level right here of the 0.8 or $0.9 level. As we said in the model in the beginning, we usually see a consolidation right here for the model in May. So we could just see this consolidation right here. But for the bull run, we continue to remain massively bullish on arbitrum, as the minimum we are expecting according to Fibonacci is for arbitrum is the $5.2 level right here for arbitrum, right? So that is the update right here on arbitrum, or the price prediction for the month of May. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.